in regards to the thoughts of the non-Jews. So, if the thoughts of the non-Jewish people are considered actions according to the Gemara, does that mean that when they have good thoughts, be considered as if they've done something like a good deed as well? I mean, not only the bad ones.
No. That's discrimination. No. This is advantage only for the Jews, right? For the non-Jews. So let me explain what he's asking. So it says in Gemara that when a non-Jew has a bad thought, meaning that he decided to hurt a Jew, right? And something like he was interrupted for whatever reason. So he was on the way, but something happened and it thwarted his plan. So he's punished 100% as if he did it all the way, in the worst scenario. But if he had a good thought and did not do it, so he's not rewarded, right? So, but with the Jew it's different. So if he planned to do something bad but did not do it, and for example, as for sure, the guy was planning to go with a married woman and did not do it, and then so he's not punished. I'm talking about the Jew. But if he had a good intention and he was prevented from the circumstances beyond his control, so if a person is living on a welfare, right, from the government, and he said, I want to build this yeshiva, BeEzrat HaShem yeshiva, 7 floors with a dormitory, this and that, and okay. So the question is he going to get a credit for this? Absolutely not. Of course, it's his dream, and it's not practical. So he's not going to get rewarded. But if he was planning to do something good, and it was in his hand, and he was and he wrote a check, and he was going to the post office to mail the check, and he got hit by the car, or check was stolen. It doesn't matter what happened. So it's considered as he did it 100%, or he was prevented. I don't know. Somebody got sick, and he needed this money that he was planning to give to tzedakah, and he spent on his little nephew. You understand? Because insurance does not cover this surgery, and this little guy need the surgery like yesterday. You understand? So in this case, the person is going to get full reward. But because it was visible, it was obvious that's what he wanted to do, and he wanted to do it with his whole heart, and something beyond his control prevented him. So that's the difference between intention and action of Jews and non-Jews. Okay. Yes, you're welcome. That's a very, very good question. Many people get confused. So because people have attention span, right? Difficulty, right? So they hear the first part, and second part is relevant. So meaning that they hear that if you have a good intention, it's like you did it. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. If he was laying on if somebody need a hand and he was laying on his couch and he's dreaming, I wish I can come and help this person. No, you did not come, so it does not count as you help him. Absolutely not.